Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to play taxi box in the Roblox. So let me choose Picket 46 and then the color would be this fine, this. Let me choose this color. This is nice. Let's go ahead spawn here. Let's try spawn a car and get started. Okay. What do you mean by spawn? Okay, I need to move. Move, man. Okay. Where's the car? Hit enter. Come on, move. Okay. F. Okay, enter. Right. Let's drive the car. Am I supposed to go? How to stop this? Come on, get in. What happened? Am I supposed to go close? Yep. Okay. R. Perfect. Okay. That's the destination. Perfect. Mission has been completed successfully. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.